Here's the installation of the housing for the USAutomatic Patriot. I'm installing small screws that are attached to the wood pickets, and then I'm installing the longer screws that are going to the horizontal railing on the fence. I'm installing the control board there and using the electrostatic dissipation bag as a cover for it. I'm installing the charger controller here and the plug that goes to the actuator cable. The battery is already in there, so I'll just make the connections on the top of the battery for that. Here's a common issue that happens when you are plugging in the charge pack. The customer will tell you that they have an outlet out there for you, but the cover is not big enough to cover the power supply. So then you have to get a qualified technician to come out and get you an outlet for that.